Namaskara, Namaste, Shubhodaya, and if there is someone from Tamil Nadu, Vanakkam. Sometimes back, I was invited as a panelist. There was a manufacturing summit here in India. It was in Chennai, and the journalists have asked me one question. Said, Mr. Wolf, what's your opinion? What is necessary that India will become a manufacturing superpower? And my view was and is yet today that India is a superpower in terms of IT. And if we use this superpower, we can lift manufacturing and industry to the next level and come to the world class. So now in the next couple of minutes, I would like to speak a little bit about approaches, about products, and about solutions to make industry and production India more competitive, come to better quality, and more profitable and more productive. So now, does it work? Okay, so now we are amidst a revolution, and its revolution is called connectivity. It has all signs of a revolution, which means it is disruptive. It's valid for all of us, and it comes very fast. And you see here, in 2020 is expected that 90% of mankind is connected. And in 2020 we have 50 billion connected devices, so that means this is 6 to 7 times the number of people living on Earth. And you see how quick it goes. So it means it changes the way we live, the way we work, and the way we communicate. And this is also a unique opportunity for us, especially for the industry here, to come to the next level, into the benchmark level. So now let's talk for a minute about the ecosystem. And if I was a tennis player, and I'm not a tennis player, I would say advantage India. But there are also some challenges. So the advantages for India, for example, is that there are various and numerous governmental initiatives, like Make in India, like Smart Manufacturing, like Skill India, Smart Cities, and, which is really supportive. And it will help us to increase the production or the industry share from currently 16% to 25% in the next couple of years. The next is, India is a digital hub, was an IT hub in the world. Bangalore today is considered as a kind of Silicon Valley of Asia Pacific, followed by Hyderabad, and I'm sure many other mega cities will come. Infrastructure, highly supported. 84% of the entire country is covered by high-speed internet connectivity, and it goes up. And connectivity, I think my colleague has already mentioned it. So we have a very young population here. People are curious, passionate, and they have grown up with all these things like Internet of Things and Services, Facebook, Twitter, and so on and so on. So this is a unique opportunity for us. But there are also some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is skills. We need to also bring the skills of people at all categories, at all levels to the next level. So it means to make them fit for future. That's a huge challenge. And the next challenge is also automation. And ladies and gentlemen, the level of automation in India is still a huge area for improvement. Our big neighbor China has 27 times more robots in use than India. That's the official figure. So it means also here, that's an area for improvement. So, what are the focus points which we need to, let me say, address if we want to bring the Indian industry to the world-class level, and we as Bosch, we want to contribute to that? The first is quality. I tell you, quality, it's not only mindset. And the quality understanding of our customers has changed dramatically. So some years back, still the understanding was acceptable quality. But today, acceptable quality is 0 defects. We need to provide mindset, we need to provide technology for that, and we need to provide also the methods for that. Second is agility. Perhaps some of you know the famous statement of Henry Ford 100 years ago. He said, okay, you can get my Ford Thin Lizzy model in each color you want, as long as it's black. So it means these times are really over. The customers want to get today customized solutions, tailored solutions. They want to have it at high volume production prices, and they want to have it now. And to give you one more figure, 5 years back or so, the difference between our forecast for the volumes which we have to deliver annually and the reality, what we have in reality delivered, was below 5%. Now we have to deal with up to 30-40% spikes in our delivery plan.